Raven's all like, Apple, why are you so creepy? iPad just shut up. Slide. Okay. Yeah. I built the big house in creative mode. I built a couple of houses in creative mode. That's all I really wanted to show you. This house, pretty big. Sun right there. I used a lot of brick, creative mode. I need that downloaded survival home. I can't get through. Oh, God. I hate leaves. It's my biggest pet peeve. Alright, that house out of lapis. The Budger Star over there. There's the Budger Star. Go about ding. Press it. Ding. Let's go in. Ooh, checkered floors. I wonder who lives here. Oh, why? It's my house. All of these houses. The TV. I'm gonna go upstairs, and there's still checkered floor upstairs. These are the stairs. I'm not gonna tour the big house because it's a big house. Here's the upstairs. There's the computer. There. Go downstairs now. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. And bye, YouTube.